Hi, my name is Taylor Robertson. I'm a robotics software developer of Waterloo. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to program a pattern. To start, I'm going to define a home position that's up and out of the way of my part. I'm going to click Start here, and then press the blue button to unlock my robot. I'm going to move my robot to above where I would like my weld start to be. Instead of going to program my weld, I'm going to select more choices and add pattern start. It's going to instruct me to define my pattern start point. This is going to be the approach into my pattern. This point should be up and out of the way, clear of any obstacles. To teach this point, I'm going to press the green button, and then I'm able to go ahead and teach my weld. I'm going to select a linear weld, unlock the robot, and move in to my weld start point. To teach, press the green button. I'm going to move along my part. And do a long press of that green button to teach my weld endpoint. I'm then going to move my robot up and out of the way of my part. And instead of going on to teach more welds, I'm going to select more choices and finish pattern. It's going to ask me to teach my pattern end. This is going to be my departure point from my pattern. Again, a position up and out of the way of any parts. To teach this, I'm going to press the green button, and it is then going to instruct me to teach my part points. These are going to be equivalent datums on my first and last part in my pattern. I'm going to unlock the robot and use this top corner of this part as my first part point. Record it by pressing the green button, and then move to my last part and a green button press to record this part. It's now going to ask me to define my pattern count. In this case, I have 3. And now I have finished teaching my pattern. I'm going to move my robot back out of the way of the parts, and I'm going to hit done. It's now going to write my program to the controller, and I'm going to go ahead and click the green button. And that is how you teach a pattern.